find it. Okay, 9 miles to Escanaba. Okay, and 62 to Manistee.
All right.
And then last time, and she had been in the morning.
Can you imagine if you get to see her?
I know. I haven't seen her. I mean, I went to
my
school with her in Northern as well.
Oh,
Part of
boy.
the time. Yeah.
That's first Canava.
I'm impressed. Because I don't know where I am. Coming in from this angle?
Yeah, this is a little different.
Casino's Food and Spirits. Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah. And see, like, this was all fields before, of course.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Can you imagine? Oh, my.
Oh, look, St. Ignace Marquette. Huh. Nort. Escanaba, live, play, shop, and dine. Oh, we got to get a picture of that.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Get your camera because I am taping.
Oh boy.
For me, everything
Oh, boy.
is taping here, so because
Okay.
I'm driving, obviously.
Oh boy. I can't.
Yeah,
My gosh.
I'm telling you,
That's been
beautiful.
around for years.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is. They have really good food, to be honest.
Okay, it sounds like you are hungry.
I am. Oh,
Yeah.
Moe's Pub. Oh dear God.
Yeah, this is downtown Escanaba, Michigan.
Well, we might have to come back to Moe's Pub, huh?
yeah, we get that. Well, we have to come back this way.
Yeah, yeah.
Cemetery.
Okay, well, I don't need a picture of that. Okay, now this looks familiar.
Yeah, this one.
It's that old section, or the whole new section down there. That, man, that was never there.
Yeah. Plus, we came from a different way too, though.
Yeah, yeah. But even so, I mean, that's, hold on, Cantina Mexican.
Oh, Mexican.
Yeah. Oh, there's the junior high. I never went to the junior high because I went to Catholic school that had
Oh my.
1st through 8th. Oh, that's an interesting looking vehicle.
That's a Mercedes.
Oh, dear God. Huh. But again, you know, like the architecture. Susie D. Sweets and Cafe.
Escanaba, Michigan.
Huh.
So this is downtown for sure.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There's Sakeley's on the left, see?
Oh, that old building.
We got to go in. They might have the cookbook that you're looking for. Yeah.
Oh, you come. Oh, I thought I saw somebody coming in. I'm like, oh, dear
boy.
God.
Oh, boy.
I got kind of I panic. I'm sorry.
Oh, boy. Feldston. See, all these buildings, the old ones, there used to be a jeweler's there.
Oh,
Feldston
my.
Jewelers. And then Huntington Center. I wonder, a lot of, you know, there used to be a beautiful hardware store too that used to have wonderful toys for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm trying to think what department store was here that had the old time pipe that you put the money in and it would go down.
Oh, is that a theater? The Michigan theater?
Swedish Pantry's still there. Okay.
What is that? Was that
Michigan, a movie theater.
Oh my! So
Yeah.
it's down.
Uh-huh.
What about that?
That's a shame. Okay, then Bishop Noah Home right on the left. That's the place that Dean used to be the Hereford and Hops. He used to be the manager, and that's kind of where he got in trouble with.
Oh boy!
Kind of started the whole mail thing, I think.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, law offices. Okay.
And what about these guys here? This building?
I think that was there.
Oh my!
Oh, there we go.
I'll go ahead and blur out all of the conversation. I'm gonna put
Oh, dear
music on.
God. Yes. Oh, dear God. Oh, he's not tall, is he?
Look at the house, Laddington. Oh my God!
Yeah, there's the
That
house
is
of
it.
Ludington. Yeah. Well, how about if we turn and park on the other side and get out and take our picture, like by the,
Okay,
you know,
sure.
and we'll stretch our legs. But
Yeah.
that's it.
Oh my! Look at this. It's the ocean. I mean the lake.
Lake, yeah.
The lake.
Oh, good. It's open. You know what I mean? It's like I always like it when somebody purchases.
Oh, this is a beautiful area.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Escanaba is not all bad, I guess. After that,
No, but not enough to keep a person busy or, you know, enriched, I think.
He responded, so that's nice.
Who's that? With the lake behind us? That would be cool.
Oh,
Oh, the water,
my.
right? So we could park anywhere here.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Well, we know that's jets and stuff.
Oh my!
Yeah.
Es que nada.
That's where I used to do my swimming lessons. Okay, there we go.
So I can park probably over there too, right? Inside?
Huh?